Hello, everybody. This is Brian. I am so excited that you have chosen to journey with me through this self guided spiritual communication course. During this course, we are going to cover so much information. It'll bring you from where you are right now, a true beginner, to being able to do these readings for friends and family and others, understanding how to best connect with your spirit guides and spirits, understanding what the spiritual communication techniques are. We're going to practice, we're going to practice, and we're going to practice some more. It's okay to be nervous at first, but I guarantee you, once you finish this course, you will have more confidence than you ever thought you could. You'll be getting more and more hits. So, again, I want to thank you for trusting me to be your guide during this time. And I know that you are going to grow and you are going to be a benefit to those here and in the spirit world. And I'm excited for you. So let's get started.